Good morning. This is my Monday mortgage update. My name is Susan Jacobs, and I'm an agent with Sampson Properties here in the Gainesville, Virginia area. And I'd like to welcome you to our Monday mortgage update. Top of mind in the mortgage and in the real estate business this past week has been what I refer to as the F word, forbearance. First of all, forbearance is not a forgiveness program. You owe the money, the lender expects you to pay the money. While there is a freeze right now on foreclosures at this time, that does not mean going forward that you will be safe. All the lenders I talk to are getting calls asking if they are offering forbearance. While most lenders do offer it, no one really knows what the repercussions will be. What the lenders are saying is it won't be good for your credit long term. And this is a very broad statement. If it comes to feeding your family or paying your mortgage, please feed your family. But do think long and hard about taking forbearance and read the small print so you understand when and how payment is required. Because of all the talk about foreclosures and deferment, most of the lenders have tightened their guidelines. Chase and Wells Fargo announced that borrowers will need to have a minimum credit score of 700 with 20% down to borrow through their banks. FHA has made 5 big changes to their guidelines as well. The first one is they've increased the credit score from 580 to 640. The second thing they've done is they've raised the debt to credit income from 57 to 45, and this affects the amount that the borrower can borrow. Third, they stopped all down payment assistance programs. 4, FHA will no longer offer jumbo loans. And 5, which is a biggie, if you miss a mortgage payment either because of deferment or forbearance, you will no longer qualify to purchase a home using an FHA loan. Now is a great time to check with your lender to see how their guidelines have changed and how it will affect your down payment as well as your ability to borrow. Interest rates do continue to be good, especially for those borrowers under 510 who are financing a home under 510 or below. Rates for the borrowers over 510 can be a little bit tricky, but again, under 510, the interest rates are still right in the mid 3%, and a lot of the lenders are offering credit. There are really some good programs out there for first-time home buyers. Both the Federal Home Loan Bank and VHDA still have plenty of money, and they're lending to the first-time home buyers. While both have guidelines and income restrictions, it is definitely worth your time to check with the lender to see if you qualify. A first-time home buyer is a person who has never purchased a home or someone who has purchased a home, sold it, and has not been a homeowner for the last 3+ years. If you're looking to purchase and you need to chat, please give me a call. I can be reached at 703-347-4418 or at my email, susan@susanojacobs.com. If you need a good lender, please reach out to me. Susan Jacobs with Sampson Properties, here to help you with all of your real estate needs.